That was fun. Let's do it again.
Some creatures have two wings that flap, but you won't find them up there in the sky. Try, they're not up there in the sky. Gravity they don't defy, they'll never soar, won't even try. Have you heard for this bird? With wings that flap, they've been supplied, but after that things run awry. Well, have you heard Flightless bird? They're quite intent, they're on the ground. To see them, don't look up, look down. Ostrich, kiwi, penguin,
They all can't fly, little cuz though.
penguins are frozen for flying, they've not been chosen. Ostriches are fast as lightning, do they fly?
Too frightening.
Say that you from Australia and you greet New Zealand kiwis.
Some birds were born to fly, but I just gotta be me.
Gravity we won't defy, we'll never soar, won't even try. Have you heard Flightless bird? With wings that flap, they've been supplied, but after that things run awry. Well, have you heard Flightless bird? They're quite intent, they're on the ground. To see them, don't look up, look down.
So what if we can't fly?
Neither can you.